Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Reef Finance coin friends. What's the price of Reef Finance? What's the price is occurring in the Reef Finance in the last 1 hour change, the last 1 day change, the last 1 week change, and what's the next move of Reef Finance? I'm also discussed the very urgent update of Reef Finance. So keep watch this video till the end friends, because this video going to be very special, going to be very important for all of you friends. Now before starting this interesting video friends, if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update friends. Now let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Reef. 0.043437 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the refinance. And if we talk about the price change occur in the refinance, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur except after the last 1 day is going positive friends. Let's see for more details the price chart of the refinance. What's going on in this time in refinance? Let's see on the chart friends. As you can see here, first of all, very congratulations to all refinance holder. As you can see here, at this time the jumping time of the refinance are now, and now they're in the jumping mood, so please celebrate it, and it's time to celebration. Congratulations friends. Now anyways, if we look the prices occur in the refinance, so as you can see here, the pricing as negative 2.41%. Why the change is negative friends? Because that is the start of new month friends, and that is why not only refinance falls down, every cryptocurrencies XRP, Cardano, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down in the start of a new month friends, as you can see here. But here is a good news for all of you. As you can see here, the refinance after falls take a jump friends. So now they're in the jumping mood, so it's time to go to the moon friends. And if we look the high price of the Reef, so 0.04578 USD dollar is the highest price of the refinance in the last 1 day friends. So absolutely a good change occur in the refinance in the last 1 day friends. So friends, what's currently at this time live price in the market? This time price of the Reef is 0.043437 USD dollar is the currently at this time live price of refinance friends. My prediction, my target of the Reef is that there is a big pump coming soon in Reef. That is just the beginning of the Reef. The big jump, the reality pump of the Reef are coming soon, so please wait for it and hold your coin. When they take a high jump, it's the best time for you to sell. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much.